What's going on, y'all? This your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do me a quick favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Now let's go ahead and get into the video of the day. Today, I'm going to be talking about two coins that I have been paying attention to over the past couple days, been easing in. One coin I've been in for a while, but I see it may be near the bottom. I'm going to talk about those two coins today, but like we always do, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is still holding strong. Regardless of what the overall market is doing, some of your portfolios, my portfolio's in the red. I have a lot of coins that are beat down, but in all that, Bitcoin is still holding strong. We're at $104,400. The Bitcoin level is holding strong, which is a good sign for us. That gives us a little bit of positive reinforcement, letting us know that we still are in this thing. The 4-year cycle is still solid as a rock. The Bitcoin dominance, it's dominating. The Bitcoin dominance is dominating. We're at 63.41%. It is what it is. You know, the Bitcoin is holding up strong while the altcoins are bleeding out. And that's typically what happens when we see a correction. When the market's going down, the altcoins go down a lot further and harder than Bitcoin. Hence, the Bitcoin dominance is starting to go up because the altcoins are going down a lot harder than Bitcoin. Fear and greed index is at 55. That is all good. I don't mind seeing a 55 fear and greed index. That means we're still nowhere near the extreme greed. So that's a good sign. We will continue to follow it every day. Ethereum is still holding strong. This is a positive sign. $2,500, 2,500, 27,000 for one Ethereum. 2,527. That's a decent level. We do know that we need to touch the $2,800 range, but the Ethereum dominance is still strong, 9.35%. We're getting very close to the 10% dominance for Ethereum. So let's go ahead and get into the two coins of the day. The two coins of the day is none other than the first coin that I will be talking about, that I have been taking a look at most recently, is Tectonic. Ticker symbol TONIC. I've been on this coin for a couple of years. I probably bought it when it was too high, but I'm seeing that it is coming down right now. Currently, Tectonic is the number 1,157th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. This is a micro cap coin. These are some of the coins I like to have a little bit of skin in the game, because if they do pump and if they do explode, you're talking about an easy 20-30x on the micro cap coins as such. Market cap very small, $8 million market cap. The price is 7 zeros and 3 right now. This coin was launched, I think, back in 2021, maybe early 2022. Market cap wasn't verified until December 2023. So this coin went a couple of years where the market cap was not verified. Then boom, December 2023, this coin started to get serious and said, you know what? Boom, everything seems to be solid, solidified. Market cap checked off and verified at $50 million market cap, which was December 2023. Currently, right now, we're $8 million market cap. So if we was to do a 6x, we're talking about $48 million market cap. We'll be very close to hitting, the all-time high of $50 million market cap. If we can break past the $50 million market cap, which is not asking for much, then we're talking about being a new discovery zone for the market cap. You may scroll back if you look at the all-time charts and look at this coin back in 2022, and the price may seem like it is very high in comparison to where it's at right now. I like to go off the verified market cap. Back then, the market cap wasn't verified, so it's hard to verify those high listed prices. But everything right now is 500 trillion coins total supply. Circulating supply is 247 trillion. So it's about 50% diluted. This is a coin that's supported on crypto.com. Not sure if it's on any other sites. It's probably kind of like, I think VBS Finance, something like that, that's supported probably only on crypto.com. But these are the kind of coins I like to have a little bit of skin in the game, because When the market do start running, these are the coins that will take off. These are the coins that'll catch their entire community by surprise, and everybody will be saying, damn, where did this coin come from? Had no idea about this coin. I shoulda, woulda, coulda, and I wished that I would have been in this coin when it was very low, when it was 7 zeros and a 3 back in May 2025. All it takes is 60 days, 30 days, 3 weeks, and we can see coins do 4, 5, 10x. We've seen it before. We've seen it last month, and we will continue to see it because this is the year after the Bitcoin halving, and this is when a lot of coins start to explode, when the entire market starts to explode. So the second coin that I do have my eyes on, that I just most recently got some skin in the game just a few days ago, is Moonpig. Moonpig. Typically, I like to stay away from the high-risk plays. My portfolio, my bag is already packed and solidified. So right now, I'm just snooping around, paying attention and looking at any opportunity to where I can take some dry powder, boom, place it in whatever coin. Maybe I'll do a 5x, 6x. Maybe I'll get lucky, do a 25x. Moonpig seems to be a play that could be potentially ready to pop. Currently, Moonpig is the number 565th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. The price of Moonpig today is 4 cents. Market cap, $44 million market cap. So this is market cap even is higher than Tectonic. This is a Solana supported coin, fully diluted. Seems like most of the coins that are on the Solana ecosystem seem to be fully diluted. This coin was launched May 6, 2025. So this coin haven't even been around for a full month. I love the coins that are brand new before they really start to pump, or sometimes when they come out, they have an initial pump, then they come back down. I like to catch them on the way down. I don't like to FOMO into any coin. I don't like to buy anything at the top. I try not to. But sometimes it's hard when you see a coin pumping and pumping and pumping. Sometimes you're like, man, I just got to get in. You know, like ZBCN Network was doing a few days ago. It was running and running and running up. So some folks said, you know what? I just got to get in. I might be buying at the top, but it is what it is. So Moonpig, currently right now, 4 cents. Was launched May 6, 2025 at 0.004. So within a month, this coin has already done a 10x. If I would have got lucky and bought it near the launch date of May 6, 10x, 8x, something like that. So we also saw this coin just last week, May 23rd. This coin got to 12 cents. You're talking about doing exponential gains. You're talking about an awesome pump. It did what was that? It's like a 30x. Went from 0.004 to 12 cents in 2 or 3 weeks. Welcome to 2025. Welcome to the year after the Bitcoin halving. This coin hit a $120 million market cap a few weeks ago, May 23rd. Now it's back down to 4 cents. I like to get these coins when they are pulling back, when they're on the down spiral. Try to catch them near or at the bottom and ride these jokers all the way back up, and hopefully this coin can get back to 12 cents. I could do a quick 3x. Maybe if it surpasses the 12 cent level, it'll be at new all-time highs. Brand new coin, only been out for a month. Imagine where this coin could be in 2 to 3 months if it continues the momentum to the upward direction. So these are the 2 coins that I'm paying attention to most recently, that I have been dollar cost averaging in, adding a little bit of dry powder in here and there, because I'm paying attention to the market, paying attention to the cycle most importantly, and we are getting ready to start the month of June, the 6th month of 2025. We are at the halfway point and then very near the end of the cycle. But we know things happen very fast. Just because we're at the end, it's going to go by fast. Look how fast the first half of this year has already went by. We were just talking about January. We were just talking about the presidential elections. We're already June 2025. Time is going by fast. Also, been paying attention to what's been going on so far with the year. January 2025, the market was up 10%. Everything was happy. We were excited. We were expecting things to continue to run. February came, boom, we were down 19%. Yesterday's video, we talked about the tariffs that was brought up on us February 1st, sucked out the life of the financial world. Crypto, Bitcoin down 19%. March continued with the tariffs BS. We were down 5%. April started off bad, but we ended on a good note, up 14%. That was huge. That was excellent. That was an excellent rebound. And the month of May, so far, we're up 11%, which is excellent. Any green is a win. We're going to take all the green months. So quarter two, how will quarter two look? January, February, March, we got those numbers in. April, May, and June. April was green, 14% up. May was green, 11% up. What will June be like? Will we see all 3 months green? Or will June be red? Should we be scaling out and preparing to take profits? I believe that we can see all 3 months green. I believe we can see the entire second quarter be green. I believe that that's what we'll see all the way up into July. Who knows what July will bring? We know the tariffs 90-day pause will be ending in July, like I mentioned in yesterday's video. So it's always good to break things down, always good to keep a timeline of things that are happening and transpire so you can kind of make better sense of things when it start to happen. You can understand why this dip happened, why this pump is happening, and so forth and so on. So, you know, you want to be, what it says, better to be caught with than without. I got so many charts, so it's better that I'll be caught with the charts than without the charts. Better that I stand on a 4-year cycle than not. So we're just going to continue to rock, continue to roll, continue to enjoy this journey that we own, and continue to make the necessary moves that will allow our portfolios to continue to elevate, explode, increase is what we are in this thing for. So come on over there, join us in a Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have an awesome cryptocurrency community of folks who love to talk about crypto. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.